Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide to help you unarchive an announcement group in a WhatsApp community. Whether you've accidentally archived it or simply want to bring it back to your main chat list, this updated process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your device. Once the app launches, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This is where all your community-related groups are organized. Next, select the community that contains the announcement group you want to unarchive. You'll see a list of groups associated with that community. Locate the announcement group you've archived. Now, long press on the announcement group you wish to unarchive. Holding down will bring up a small menu with different options for managing the group. From the menu, tap on Unarchive Chat. And just like that, your announcement group will be restored to its original place in the community's list of chats. By following these simple steps, you can easily access important announcements and keep your WhatsApp community organized. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.